Raising gas is started. We have Z Master. Break quickly at the start. Hallelujah. Paring Hilton. And on the inside now is Action Sailor. Is Spanish drums while Dumadagundong is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have C Master by about ahead. Then on the outside, Hallelujah. To take the lead 3 lengths further back in third comes Paring Hilton. That on the inside is Action Sailor. Is Spanish drums while Dumadagundong is still racing and less back to the leader. We have Hallelujah by our length and a half. C Master, Paring Hilton, Action Sailor in the middle portion. Then comes his Spanish drums while Dumadagundong still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Hallelujah by about 2 lengths. Paring Hilton in second. Action Sailor is down on the inside. And on the outside comes C Master as they swing for home. We have Hallelujah by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside now is Action Sailor with about 100 meters of the race. It's now Action Sailor. Hallelujah is by the rail and finalist Action Sailor. Hallelujah. Paring Hilton. Then comes C Master, his Spanish drums and Dumadagundong.